you just move it in a little bit more,
Sure, yeah.
so that you can see a bit better? Is that better? Is that better?
Do you see them, Auntie? They're putting it in the front or on top?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So put that on the box. Put that on the box.
Okay.
Tell them to not put that on the box.
Let me give you an
That's supposed to be straight on top of Uncle. Uncle can't do it.
Oh, here, actually, I think she adjusted. Because you can see the fog on there right now. Well, oh. Okay. Okay.
Always in the video. Okay.
So important.
Okay.
So much.
Okay. So that I'll probably have to step back at times to get everything. Yeah.
something is not good but make us laugh, do it. We need to stretch up us. It's been a tough time for the last 4 weeks for all of us, especially for Danny's kids and grandkids. But today, I allow it for you guys to say something about that, what you remember him in the past. As you all understand, Dan is the youngest kid in so we're going for my kids. ask you to close your eyes and we'll start in prayer, and I'll do it in comments before we start. Close your eyes. Now, and about a few weeks, about 40 years old, we have a later to talk about the movie in Nasa. Mau kore whakamore kia whiona, ma lai mai kuru no mai tono no, I rea, I sio, I whakaukau, ka maha mauloto, koe anana e kovi fuipe, kovi fuapeo mo ui koeni, a mea pe tana e kore a whiona, koe whaka mai pe holoto, pe koe lawa i, a whapenai maa noni, a tanaka ki o tua. Mo ia neki to i kai pūri hane te whunga mo heni. Mo whamāwa te ngai reo i mo pūri ko whai nasa ki mātou. Mo heni no mā koe tamai o eiki me ke whake te mātou, ke ne hoko koe te hina, koe tuonga ane, koe tamai, koe te oua, ke te mātou, koe kui, koe ke uia ke ne whoke te api. Ko kai ka mea whai mo whoke te mātou. Ke more ke mama, mo heni ho mo anu, ke mo tangi ko na mo launa, I e pure, ke mo tuturi maa, a whiona ko whai me tana reiki. O koe hongre more atu, tu mo ke hoko a koe ka ape mo manak meri, ke mo mai tō taha koe ni na mo konga whanonga, na mo whifua aki, na mo whiwhia whakataha, na mo tanga koe mata whakataha, e whanonga na mo whai. Koe a koe heni koe ni ka tau mai ki mo hui, Pima de noi heni ke mo whapau whaasi te teia, ke mo manatu ofo ke. A ngā hene reina mo mahu pe te iai, ke mo kōpai mo ia e whotona. Kai mo manapāi ne hao mei hataha whahi mai tātā. Koe ne amatapā ko te teo e a whiona. Koe mea au whakaosia e a whiona koe mati ke te mau tōru. Ke mo kōpai tu ki ka whaaki o mo ui ka ngaka. Mai api ko te teo mau tō. Kai ka apukina mai eki ai whaku e. Ngani, mo a kina tōku tō pe mo ki heni a koe. Tu mo ke hopa ki kai koe, ma kai ki mo te whaafia ngai. Ke mo koe koe, ke mo iloi, ko mo tōku mo kaha te i mo ui a whiona. Koe a roto whawhikai o po koe. Tau mai ati mo te lawa ke mo riu, ke mo whafoki mai, ai ma te ki heni, ka hei kai, koe mo alua tu pe ki ka whakoia. Koe ho mo more Koe hea mau tōno nou, I whawhenai ki a whiona e nāko e, koe whamu moia ki mātou. Ahui mua mau roto te tā, koe merino, koe mau kāri me whawheta, ai tō unbu o a whiona ki mātou. Koe e alo whawhetai, koe me loto u whom koe, koe tā kuina ki mātou, koe whakakata mō loto. Ai tō e mai mai tōna lāma, a koe ke tau kau me a whiona. O a koe me ke mau whaheke heka, ai ta mai o e kini, ke nofo ka nofo ama, ka ono whala, ono api, ono whala kere kere e whiona, o whai toka, ka tai mai a mo ui I ka whaketa. Koe e rautu mo hu, mo whai ka kura be, e wafo ao se suplais, ka ko mo whao mo ui, e me. It's so hard for me to be here, standing in front of you, and understanding that we are not speaking in one language as the Tonans. Most of you barely understand Tonans. English is your main one. So I allow everybody to do what you're comfortable doing in Tongan and English. I like to welcome all of you here. I will give the first opportunity for doing a sweet memories over here for Tana's kids and grandkids, and after that, I'll open up for anyone who wants to say something about Tani. And before we close down, and if I remember something that we need to say it, I will do it while the program is going on. I was waiting for everyone to be here. Opening prayer. She's not here, so we have to continue to hear. I believe we have about maybe an hour, a few minutes, to be here before we continue for the bishop's program. Any question? No? Okay. I think we open up now for studying kids and grandkids. Anything to say is open for you.
Hi everyone. I'm Otani Moimwai's second youngest daughter. As a second youngest child of my dad, I had the unique opportunity to get to know him. My dad was 50 when I was born, and so I got the chance to know him in his wisdom years. He was a fiery man too, but to me he was my daddy. I'm so grateful that I have Otani Moimwai as my father. He taught me so much, and he was so wise to me. I remember being little and my dad taking me to do yoga with him. I felt so special. And to those of you that don't know, yoga is construction. I felt so special getting to drive around with him, even though I'd be sitting in the car with him for hours, just watching him. But it was so special to me because I got to spend that time with him. I got to know what it was felt like to be a princess because of my dad. Because he was so good to me. My dad was always understanding. And anything I wanted, he would always listen to me, and if it was reasonable, he would agree. He was funny too, and he would make me laugh when he was silly, or smile when he would get up and dance his favorite song out of nowhere. He taught me so much as well. He was always talking to me and advising me about things, about life, and trying to be a good person. His most popular teaching was no one loves me more than my mother and father, and after that, it's my sisters and my brother. He taught me to always be responsible for my younger siblings and to be good to them. He taught me so much and had so many wise little sayings which I'll carry with me forever. Only as a parent myself do I truly appreciate the parent that he was to me. A humble man who would do anything for me. In my final moments with my dad, we listened to his favorite songs. And I got the opportunity to tell him how grateful I was that he was my dad. I kissed him, and I hugged him, and I walked away, and now we're here. I thank you all so much for being here, and in my dad's voice, God bless you.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Mineva Moimwai. My dad is Viliami Ofiu Moimwai, second oldest to Otani Moimwai. I just wanted to thank everybody for coming today, everyone on live stream, all our family from all over. I just wanted to say that I'll always love my grandpa and cherish the moments that we've had growing up. Moved with us everywhere we went with my dad. I'm just so grateful I got got to experience my grandpa growing up and to my teen years, and always coming to Canada to spend time with him. And yeah, I will always miss him and love you, Grandpa. And thank you.
But then she won't be in it. Is that okay?
Oh yeah, that's fine. Like, we're able to zoom in on her, and then when the speaker speaks, like, zoom in. Yeah, only when somebody's talking, please. Just like, so that everybody on the live can see them. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay.
Hello, my name is Emma Moy. I'm Moy's oldest. He is also Moy's oldest son. I didn't want to say anything today because you would get up here and cry. But I just want to tell my grandpa that I love him. It's crazy because growing up we always looked at my dad and we always said how much he looked like his mom. And now that I'm getting older, he looks just like my grandma now. We always used to joke around that my grandpa and my dad look like brothers because of how young my grandpa always looked. I just wanted to come up here and represent my parents and tell everyone that I love them, and I know I don't see you a lot, and I get to see my grandpa a lot, but I enjoyed our FaceTime calls and our Facebook Messenger calls when he would call me at work and make sure that I was okay. But I love everyone who's here, and I love everyone that's on the live stream, and all my cousins and my aunties and uncles. Very easy to just press it.
My name is Salofia Sorkin. I'm the husband of Alegam Seita, granddaughter of Pops, Danny Moy. I wanted to say something because my relationship with Pops is a little bit different. You know, don't mind me. In 2007, when I moved out here in Canada, that's where our relationship took a little bit different turn. I noticed I never met anybody who speaks like Uncle Rossi just said. Many languages: Tongan, Samoan, Fijian, English. And I'm not dang if I could speak
a little bit of what he can do. Man, the world is in my hand. But I wanted to share how sharp this man is and how loving his heart was. We play a lot of games, a lot of card games, because that's how I diffuse or get to know somebody, is how they strategize their mind. And me and Pops, we play so many games, and in fact, we go to a casino because I tell Pops, this is what I do when I want to have a good time. I just go relax and just chill. Hey, he likes to go bingo, I don't, but we go bingo on his birthday. And when we do, I notice how the tenacity that he has. This man, I might not know him at a young age, but I can tell he's a fighter because I can see it. You know, I can see that spirit, and especially when we play, oh, he's relentless. And people that are relentless, they have great hearts. They love and they give every single thing. And there's a difference of giving and difference of loving. This man, even though he don't got it, he will give. That's the kind of heart he has. And I know, there's a lot of memories we have. And in 2007, when I came here, we started having game nights, poker nights. Just me, him, Francis, and my wife. Just the four of us. And we can stay up all night and play these games and have the best time of our life. When I moved back in 2012 in America, I come and visit. And when I come and visit, he looks forward for this visit because he knows when I come, it's card time. We play cards. In fact, when I came back in August 27, 28, this past months, I walked in and I told him, Pops, what's up? What's going on? And he was so tired. And I told him, I brought some cards. What's up? You gonna wake up? Time for us to go at it. And anyway, let me get the cards out. I dealt my hand, which is his hand, and dealt my daughter's hand, the youngest one, was not here, Minerva. And my daughter said, Daddy, look at Grandpa. I'm like, what's going on? I looked at him. This dude wanted me to give him his hand so he can hold it. And I'm like, wow, the tenacity, the fighter in him. Never back down. So I gave it to him. That was my last game with him. He won his last game. Like he always say, looking good, running bad. I say now we're looking bad, but we're running good after this life. Because after this life, ain't nothing can hold us back. So, a few things I wanted to say about Pops. He has so many things that I quote to an online community that I'm with. And I go online with thousands of people and I quote him. And one of the favorite quotes that I always tell people, my Pops always tell me, it's up to you. Please yourself. Meaning, please yourself. Nobody gonna tell you what to do but you. So I always tell my wife, the old man always tell you, be happy. Because Pops is always about happiness. I have never met anybody who's always much happier and always about a good time. And that's why I love Pops. My relationship with him, like I said, I might be an in-law, but he treats me like his own. And I cherish those moments. And this family is a very blessed family, because I always tell Pops, you know what I noticed about your family, Pops? He said, what? You're full of blessings. Your blessings are from heaven. Not too many people have great-grandfathers or grandfathers. My grandfather passed away at a very young age when I was 8th grade. So when I get to see Pops, I cherish every moment because I didn't have my grandfather. I lost mine in 8th grade. So these are our blessings because these are the memories that we can take with us. Nothing else in this world we can take. Only these memories. So my memories from my Pops, I know he's on Donnie Moy, but I call him Pops like my own. So Pops, Mumio, Malama, I love you. No memories will never go away with me. I'm a short man, and he's a short man. Last but not least, when we talk, Grandpa always tell me, I remember back in the days, your family, so tall, because that's my grandfather's brother, so tall. He bring everybody from Doma. Anything I want from immigration, I go. And when he passed away, he told me to go to my grandfather, which is Toto's brother. And little that he know, and little that my grandfather know, that one day, 50 years ago, their grandkids is going to be married. I'm a grandson of my grandfather, or Donnie's granddaughter here today. That right there is me. If you don't know that's God, I don't know what that is. So I say this respectfully, and I love you guys, and I'm honored to be here and to be in this family because I'm part of it and I ain't going nowhere.
Hello, everybody. My name is Abed Busieta. I am the great-granddaughter of Olani Moimoi, granddaughter to Minerva Newton. I just wanted to come share some of my memories, my fondest memories of Grandpa growing up. I believe it was a great blessing to have been raised by my great-grandfather for time being when I was younger. Grandpa is like the most active elderly person that I've known my whole life. Like, I don't think you see like 80-year-olds running and catching the bus. Like, Grandpa was super active. Like, he was super fit, and like elementary years were like some of my fondest memories out here in Canada. I remember just every day after school walking back to Grandpa's with Francis, and then we'd all just run, catch the bus, go here, go there. I don't think I would have gotten to experience the views and the city life of downtown Vancouver, West Van, and all that if it wasn't for Grandpa. I swear, like, my legs were always killing me, but Grandpa was like, hurry up, bro, we're going to leave you off the bus. Yeah, those are some good memories of being active with him. I think my funniest memory with Grandpa is definitely when I was learning what a phone was. I sat in the middle of the room, like, I could, like, describe it, like, it's a bathroom on the right, and a bedroom on the left, and I sat in the middle of those two doors. I dialed 911, and I called the police for some odd reason. They came to the house, and right after they left, they did the check and everything, and Grandpa was like, he was so pissed at me. He was like, do you want me to go to jail? But, yeah, those are, like, some funny memories of Grandpa, but, I just want to say thank you so much, Grandpa, for being a blessing in my life. Your ways have taught me to be active. I know I used to go to place so I could be like you when I'm 8 years old. But yeah, Grandpa, I just know you're dancing up there, singing and dancing up there, watching over all of us, and I miss you. But I know you're with us always. Next thing I'll be singing, Jesus Christ. Amen.
Greetings everyone. I'm Elena Lucieta. I'm Minerva Altani's eldest daughter. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get it together. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you to our online family that could not be here with us, but is here in spirit. On behalf of my mother, Minerva, I'd like to thank you all for being with us. Due to her health-related reasons, she's with us in prayer. We wish to celebrate a man whose entire life has been dedicated to his family. He wasn't a materialistic man. He sought treasures you could take to heaven. For example, joy. He was a husband, a father to 9, a loving grandfather, great-grandfather, and a friend to many. What truly extraordinary life Grandpa had and where his adventures took him. Tonga, Fiji, American Samoa, the United States of America, and Canada. Today I wish to share some words about him, who's been an integral part of my life. To say that I'm lucky to be one of his grandchildren, it would definitely be an understatement. It's a blessing that I'm truly grateful for and will be for the rest of my life. It is a challenge to speak today, to put into words the many things that I would like to say about him. Grandpa loved to share his life experiences and dance. What an amazing memory he had. Ask him anything about his childhood, and he would be able to tell each story with the most vivid details. He often was around his brothers, his mother, all types of things, where his different adventures took him. Out of all the stories about his life, though, my favorites will always be the ones about his time in American Samoa. An excellent listener, he was always somebody who I could speak to about anything without being judged. One special thing about Grandpa that I loved was that he never threw religion down my throat, ever. But oh, he was a man of great faith. He said all his blessings came from the Lord. Whether he was playing bingo, whether he was at church, whether he was, running it, wherever our missions throughout my life had been, that's where he was. That's what he always said. He often said his kids had a hard time in life sometimes because they forget where the blessings come from. He often told me, Elena, you have all the blessings. I often laughed, telling him, I'm no good, Grandpa. What are you talking about? I'm like the naughtiest person in the world. Are you sure? He always says, Elena, you'll see. Okay, Grandpa, I see now. I had you for almost 4 decades. Talk about blessings. You definitely were my blessings, and I was always blessed, whether I saw it sometimes or whether I didn't. He always said that his greatest treasure was his family. He often and randomly mentioned each grandchild near and far as if he saw them yesterday. As a grandfather, he was everything. From always being like, a playmate, secret keeper when I needed him to be, my confidant, a rock as well as I grew older. I miss our conversations, Grandpa. With him, I felt like I could do anything. He was always up for a good time. Any of you guys that know Grandpa, you'll ask him, like, oh, you want to go for a ride? I thought he would go or something. Grandpa would get up and he goes. Always up for a good time. He always made people feel special. My 2 daughters, Ave and Minerva, who he helped raise, they could totally attest to that wholeheartedly, as you guys heard Ave. He's taught me so many lessons about life. One being that we aren't meant to love only one person in life, because the heart has a capacity to love endlessly. Those are some of the main lessons that I will remember and never forget. During the later part of his life, Grandpa always said that having lived into his 80s was already a great blessing. COVID hit, and he was no longer able to enjoy the daily activities that he was used to. I could always expect a messenger call from him every week. My husband had an amazing relationship with Grandpa. I could roll my eyes over, literally roll my eyes over. If anybody knows, he'll always call me, and he'll always ask for my husband, how's Salofi? How's Salve Ave Minerva? And then he'll go into, how are you doing? I told my husband, babe, don't ever miss my grandpa's call. And for the most part, he never missed it. I, on the other hand, did. Grandpa, I'm so sorry. those little moments will sit with me. But I was so thankful that he figured out how to work the messenger part and always be there. He always would often call and tell me, I miss you, Lena. And I always tell him, Grandpa, we just gotta wait for those borders to open so you can come to Muckleshoot and we go to the casino. Just go and enjoy. And he would always laugh and he's like, yes, first place I come, he's like, we're gonna go across the border and come to you. So many stories. One of the biggest words that Grandpa often said to me, he always said, be happy, and he always said, slow down, Elena. I'm going to learn to do both, Grandpa. Thank you for always loving me unconditionally. From when I was your grandbaby, to awkward teenager, to Fio Bobo, when you always say, to bingo, to our parties, to Mario's. If anybody in Seattle knows, you guys know. To my married life, to my motherhood, and to my little family. I love you, Grandpa, and I hope I'll make you proud. Thank you all so much. And love and blessings to everybody that's online as well. Thank you. And I just have a little number for you guys. Trying to leave just a little something for everybody's ears. Grandpa was always about music, and we couldn't get it together to get somebody who can play this, so we're going to do this. And I'm actually just going to have my niece who's visiting with us and my daughter sing. I'll probably just mess it up.
Oh, my love, see,
never forget all the memories that I've had with him ever since I was little. The times where my sister and I used to drive him to bingo, and I used to think to myself, I can't wait till I'm old enough to go bingo with him. Or he'd slip me $20 and tell me to book at McDonald's and tell me not to tell anybody. Or the time we'd all meet at Neva's house for holidays, and he would always be the first one up dancing. I'm so thankful for him, for all the family he's blessed me with, and for all the love and blessings he's cherished me with. I'll always remember him for his kind heart and his wisdom. Thank you.
Omala programa cuando la hermana María, I'd like to thank all of you. You for it. All about your grandpa, your dad. Thank you, Elena. Elena, make sure next time you teach your husband how to sing so he can be part of the family. Because you guys singing and he's just standing over there, he's lost. Omala, Motowe, Okama, Matape, Mautaitaria, Kamata, Peki Omanega, Pito, Mui, Beaka, Natan, Koyo, Koyo, Betata, Makuna, Fena, Top, Mui, we still have time. We have about 35 minutes. Make sure you remember it's not preaching over here. You're not a preacher. We just come here and talk about that. It's so hard for me to understand because I don't really know all Otani's kids. You all know that Otani married 3 times. The Moimoi family like to marry a lot. And one of Otani's nephew is a record, I think, in anywhere in Tongan's here, America, Australia, New Zealand, and Tonga. When he passed away, he married 8 times. And so I want you to know that Otani married 3 times and had kids, and lovely kids. Otani knows how to put them together, and we all missed him that. And I couldn't tell it until Otani passed away. Then I realized there's 3 different moms in these kids. They start pulling each other. They're pulling they're right, and they playing that and playing that. And when I talk to Minerva, I don't even want to hear those pulling. All I want to hear that we are prepared to say goodbye to Mama. Everybody go peacefully. We have a tape, we will find Mama Maria, and go to Lucia. We are not here for Kalam, family, okay. When they go away, I thought, I think they have to go for Kalam, and I might go to the hall. When they go back, Uri a piece of it out. I didn't move. So please, when you come forward, please remove the mask and make sure you clearly mention your name and who you are to Otani, so that we all know, especially myself. I'm getting too old. I'm just like them. I'm getting too old. And we start to lose our memories. So you need to speak very clearly and take off the mask. I don't want you to come Wednesday over here with the mask over here. When you're done, you can put it on the mask. Okay? I don't mind not putting it.
Good morning. Oku hingoa. Ahe una hingoa na ko hingoa ko. Oku ilo ye. Ya ko ne ko la ve ya ko viola. Ko mo ko puna o te rita. Politon fina moi ko to go e son moi. Ya ko ko fina iki ko la na ko ya mo ya ko ako ai ka bilian ko foto dan aku foto ko class name ke itu pakai na ko aki na fa mo tu ako toma ila si malolo atu ya pa tawe neono ini malolo ako uito ya ko saya dewi tahu ini kalau kita pakai dia kalau kita ada boleh mereka your own boss you just do whatever you want you go when you please you go terkadang kalau tadi mari tua tolak tadi karena kalian menantau ya saya dengan girlfriend saya kemudian nak talago ay nahopa katanya kau siapan ingo po ko tani ko ingo siapan ano sana ko
Oh wait, no, sir.
tani may siapan para ingo alam ba po apa na sa mo ko tani mo siya ko na nagta tani sa yung kita ko na Cuando tenga que organizar que la boa. Apa mahina me akosi hokan putu ai family moi ko malolo atwa le panis faye pasnaton malolo pe moi ho pe seti asupa ai me faye San Francisco kalau di Texas dan malolo ba ota dan mau vela waktu gua itu yang mau habis ini wah tolo itu ke foto sebagai right foto tolo ya foto wing kalau itu ke tolo yang ada lima foto tangan siter kalau memang ya abalu oke masih Fia tại hiện tại tại mà có ngân đó ban nó phải tại cả người ta đi có biết nó sai học cái gì cả là sai cái nào mà còn nào cái mà nào lôi thì các bạn ba thì thôi tu cái này cái có đồ thì sao tự nhiên phải lót thì cô phải làm gì mẹ hệ sao thế cái cái điều ăn ba thì ấy cái này phải lối xia điều ăn cái nào thì mẹ cô phải nói Ông tôi phân má này cái tàu thì cả xí nó một thì lom coi một chỗ bên cổ ta những cái riêng ở cái ở ta nhọc về cái này đầu tiên mà ở ta coi ta body stay ta motor still running aja kok apa nih kota nih looks good kata motor is bad coi vài năm tôi mới là tại như nào phê ơi lại đây là một cái cô ta một pi là mà tôi ăn nó có pi là này ruby đây có pi là mút một pi là bên này lại cả là mưa pi là ăn người ta có ấy cái này có bao lâu có phải tôi chơi cả ta lại pi là cái bên đây có phải này bilang oke bilang tu kau pandai ke tahu itu kau pilih son tak kau alu kau tahan pilih mati dona kau bisa pilih kau tanya kau pun farauli ya pilih kau mau tu mau mere kau mau fi alu sorry kau mau fi alu frisko tak apa pilih Apila ade na tolu, me adele, kulo excursion. Kon mau heka toi ai, heka ho e ta ela ko loto ai, ma dele ko ni. Ko mau o fala e tamai man ko tan ko ala ta o tan e ko e ana ko e tui e mau si. E foke a tan e ko no rak mali ka pelimino se ke na no fo fakta. Toki e tate ngai hoa koe ni. E sai mate ia ko stea no hoa ono. Pako Francis i mahalo e no so whaatamo perimros mo tani. O hoko pe ko ki tahine o tani mo perimros. Ko o whalahi at ka mo tolo ka atu. Ke pinei ko ema. O whaaka ko ema. Ko alo hake pe kawe kai ama ke be mo ui pea e mai ke koutui mahalo e ma ke lai pea a ngai ma man koi ni ke puke ki i kai ngai pe tu koi ni o whala he ke mana tumaani na nofo he tu koi ni ko alo ke o se ka moi ni he tu koi ni ko o se ato sanerive mo mo ke mo mea ko si tela pe ke to ni ko si tela ia ko tu tau ka ulunganga i whaka moi o ne ma ko ia e ulunganga ka moi ai na te ngata ko ulunganga ko kia nei ta ko ki ia ke ki ka moi ko ka fai ta na ko ta si tela ko ta la mai puto ko ta stela ko ngai drama ko it's unnecessary things. Tau venga pe ke tana a o tai e aspe ko ia. Pakapau mo ke fe fusiaki. Ai a me afana pa mo tau fana fe tu. Kare te mawo stela na maulabea. E ko mau fe ma ke pa foki ka ba ngai fa mi. O fai ka mo to ka ta fa mi. Sio te sio ke Talavo pea ti monte na mo suiti me o mone na talavo a pita feito ko ni. Yeah, for Francis, we're gonna go back to Seattle because I just found out that she lives by me. She lives in Tacoma, and when we go back to Seattle, we'll find a husband for Francis. So. Our Father God, Francis, for taking good care of Grandma in these last years. Ko he kai usio ka never na taino ben moia si wharamahaki. And Fedette is in bad condition too, dialysis and heart failure. Pea ko tātolu koe kei toe. Angko lawan motoa. Ai lo tu ke lahi ko tu ka ba lahi lo tu de ka sai la vi o fa en ta en fa ho lo sia foi ta en fa ho ta ni ko foi ta la o wa ta lo sia ko ta en ko lo sia ka fa ya ke fa ho en ya ho ta to mo to ka lo sia ka ta ni se ngai mo o mi sia to ma ha lo pe ke to pe a ni pe ka wa ko ta Kapag kaya bota Lucia, porque fai a Tokyo North Rise, que fala a Daniela siempre. Go offer here Kamoton, and God bless all of you, Malo.
whole family. O tamu pe o sio pe wa o fa ta ki ya. Tamu tu te pe e ne. Ako ko fa yo ta. Na lo be ko 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 na e. E to ko mai. Ai mi na ka ba ka ya. E na o ko ke ko to ko o tamu o ri ko to. Mea kai, nana to kono mai te kia. Kui ngālo mo mo whai a niko ka mata ia ki tu ko ia. Alau o ofa pilo ka mata. Kai awa ki muini mai e ni mo ni. Ko ilo ko ne mea whai ko ngālo ka mutu ko tāra ai. Telefone mai ke mai mo fe o to fana wa ki puina ta ka sui ki ta ku ta ke fa ni o tu mana ne ilo pe a ko ia ka mo tu a ko ni ko e ngai to ko ni ma o ta ni mo no fa bi e ta ni ko e to be ko fa ma ro a pe pe ke mo ia ko pu a ni ko e o tani thank you. Ke mea ne whai mai ke te. O tulo, ia o kwesi alu wiki, o nofo le rei. O ke alua, o nofo whetaloa ke a message this, ne.
to ka ni te ka ni o ko le te mo ka pa pe te a fiere pa ka pe those of you who want to say a few words about the time we have only 15 minutes so one of the things that I kind of surprised that I don't really see all Otani's kids over here today, especially the ones that are over here in Canada, in Vancouver, here. I don't see all of them. I think you cannot go back. You have to keep going, continue. When the day is over, you can't go back. One of the law, Timothy, the last, I think, over a year now, that's all Otani does every day, is calling the family. I just found out that when Otani passed away, I talked to a lot of family everywhere. You told me up to Japan, Australia, New Zealand, America. So we guys calling and saying, hello, how you guys doing? And that's it, every day. Even myself, sometimes I think Otani forgot that he already called me. And I saw it about 2 more times. About 3 times a day. And I didn't one, because I know he forgot that he already called me that day. It is hard to get someone like that his family is so important to him. Otani is a family man. He's a family man. When I grew up, Otani left Tonga away. When I finished from college, Otani left Tonga already with his family. Otani left and believe me still in Tonga. Then finally Otani believe me moved to Panama, then from there to Canada. Otani was like a brother to me. He was not like an uncle. He was like a brother. So I'll open up, if anyone else wants to say something. Why don't you come and say a few words, Francis, about Otani? If not, I will ask Emma to, by 10 o'clock, by 11 o'clock, to do a closing prayer for us, and maybe a few words about Otani. Emma. He was like a brother to Otani and kept with them, like a sister to Wahina. You see, when Stella called me about the program, I might still remember Emma to be part of the program. You guys are very lucky to still have her over there. We're all going to talk to if you're there, Kako Otani, ne kika no fu taimi o nei mo family to. Toki ave ko be ni kine ki for my feast more for right. Na ia palang ni to palang sai mis ka mami a pe mo tamai ka Otani mo se mo. Palang ko ka na whaare mo Otani no fui kuma o sa mahi nei a ono. Pea nai whaahanga he kaupurisu whae kega Otani na pehe koe spai a ka. Ka koe koe nāmera no fui kuma koe. Whaka osi pē ngahi ngā aue se ana ngā aue ke pēr Amerika a ka ake whaua. Ka koe mani koe no whaahanga kaupurisu awe a Otani na peke. Ka hana reo mō whai ni kuma. Ka Agora, parece na faina na água que estava tá lá nas pais, botaram no pala. O malato mo que não comai, só o pai que está para pagar a ele, o não vinha a vida de ter, tu como tai que o mai a hospital, tá? O lado que ai na yan, o tani que o si tahaia e fa na o to como fu a se de moi de o forma. Lá está a Pepe Nicolina, no amor, a Aparecida, a Marope, a Tanda, o que há a Pepe, a marca por ser lá, tu, a Hopo que é canta aqui, a Hopo aí, a Pica de Tadielo, e a Otani, e a Pica Tadielo, o Otani. Sinsi tata in dei quei coração oxigênio uiver sim para o para ver agora não vem pergunta o é o sumo lá o sumo não uiver na minha o ficar que o der acha que o tá é sai o seu tá ainda né o que não todo que hoje eu tenho muito com Daniela e Siaka, como ele e Lucio. Quando eu pego ele, ternyata aku mai di sini, kota kita jual rumah ini, siap. Aku buat motor pada petani, offer mai oli itu buahnya, ya, dan ai ficava meio que algo que a coisinha que depois de que o mais que me mudou da hoje no houve muito que propõe que a açúcar que torna que descer e tudo o açúcar mal agora eu pensei na filha eu a estela do coisa mas quando filha estela do dia onde eu me dou sai per il nasto con la peste. Non è che la volevo. Poi che fa e fa una poi fa da tutto che non la dove fai molto nato. Poi a ori, da che ori poi te do stella non dove e un mai che un anno molto nato che non è nato una per dare offro me qua in ori e poi votan ma fa now una monuia dan ma lo smo una uo ma poi non ha portato uno con il tavolo come moi que na não marito para não dove que mai fa mo para jogar para do fata muito não mais mari americano kana para o telefone dele não tô falando o tani quando ela viola se mal foto todo e fia ver e em Francis it's a great pleasure for the family to have you here today. Though you had a hard time since our time passed, try to deal with the family, make up your mind you're going to be here to say goodbye. Poi a così che la sai, come video, allora non tu vai viola, quando la Emma che fa tavolo, la mamma è qui sopra, ma
tôi chỉ phát động như thế nữa tôi ai để họ bỏ cái coi mà Stella cũng có pure cái gì tôi coi như mà family mà Stella coi quay có lo còn để tiêu bị mày phá hư nên có Lucia có quý hen bên mùi hen có Tina, ko mabe hospital lot. Ya, itu pada kenyanya dan usia. Kata dok yo bah nanti hospital. Koe mehan roa, koe mea I sope. Kuyen pe moia dok o ami pe ke sope osiono Paranaya tani. Vem aqui, vem, arena. Coi, se fineia, qui feito boni, mi tomai aqui, family, toma, kotoa, feito boni. Ema ko, ai bena mohau, porque ele boni, até fafa, come a dele, os beni, perca, coi, porque não tolava lá, o que vai, vai, que vere, Ate polo atu whaho ko ti sope mo ena. Pea, asko ia pata toki o tanu e tau ki putu. Pea toki hoko te onu atu ape vai hane au hoko atu ai. Oko tua eki, hoko atu. Kapitalik, maro hafi mauto me kumat lao ton maman kanto, kamawang siya may ahon, amawin ahon, yung ko ahon pamaman mo, nakadai ko ni kapmawoy ko to, mapia ko ruta kay di madak, ruta magoya ko to. Angai malas keke maman. Malo api diskela o kakawau o kalam mo pa itangata. Tete po kia kero mo tua o kadra sike mo mo. Tega tek motor ko family boy. O family ko to ape to ke Pamalo pada motor, pamalo at kita na tahu siya ko, malo pada patong yang bawa, pada patong yang ako kita ko. Kung tahu tu yo, kata orang ay ko pong ako tani, kakata ko to, ang ko, tiyong malo tu mahal, tiyong luhawen. Yung mga tema ko ni, tema bingo o tani. Kung mapirtalang ang o tani, yung bingo. Pag ko itago o tani mo ko ni, kung tema bingo o tani. Pag ako pinangan ko o tani ko, pag ali-ali ako ni, kuwi kaya, kutangan po ako o tani ka muli-muli. Ikaw, brothers, tu kaya umutuan. Kalau yang kau kata tahu, ngawin patawot, Otua mama, pemata tanya dah na. Mau ko saya mehe, kawan, uya ko mawai. Wetota ko ya mamdol. Konetan manoa roni, konoa ko agma. Ko le pega de gol, tatan mo si Otani. Pagkawan matapa itanti, kihuat kaya. Kuya damay umakore ka tiko ke kapwa te matron kato. Mapatata may awan. Kipay mo padawia. Kuya Pepekia koni mau kata mai kai. Ko pepe tu mau mai me ai. Ka wai pe a ona. Ko mau kata mai kai ni he pongpongin. Ko ya ko opa mo manatu. Ye da mai oi ko ni. Ko ya da mai mau kore ka de ko. Kaya mau matu ko. Ta matu pe ma pe ona. Pe ko ha ho ko tu ko ta mai oni ta ka pe mo ko. Ko ya da mai pe ha ki lo vai vai ko ma ka de ko he ko wan. Ke ko la wa ko mau ka mu. Te ka ho ko mau pe mau. Mau ko ko da mai me ko da ve mo ko a ko si su ka lai ko mau ka mo wi. Amen. Maron.
Omaladem, omaladem, kalau pos kuasa, kan kalau omaladem kain itu ini, ki awal kai bohong kai ni, ki ada tani, motor filan mo tani, kai ni mo filan mo tani, kalau kita pakai luar dia ki falot, kai mari ki filan mo tani, orang tahu ni kau yang pulang. Close this casket over here, there will be no one. So not that. Please come forward and if you like the time, this is the chance for you. Refreshment, we go to my big head, or the other big head, for the local, muy big, y todo, a big head, más para Hawaii, más palo. Yo creo que we refreshment, okay, for like,
The bishop gives us from 11 to 12 to go with her profession.
You can't hear us.
Huh?
You can't hear you.
Lord, I would follow thee, give all my love to thee. I would do for you all that you ask and more. Yes, I am willing to mourn with those that mourn, comfort those that stand in need of comfort, bear another's burden that they may be light. Oh Lord, help me keep you in my life. Oh Lord, help me keep you in my life. The road will get rough along the way, but help me to trust in you and never go astray, that I may always be a strength to those in need. A new beginning is near. Let them know that you are always here to guide them back to you, where forever one day we will be. Yes, I am willing to mourn with those that mourn, comfort those that stand in need of comfort, bear another's burden that they may be light. Oh Lord, help me keep you in my life. Oh Lord, help me keep you in my life. Yes, I am willing to mourn with those that mourn. I am willing to comfort those that stand in need of comfort. How sweet is the heavens. Leave all of your cares behind. How sweet is the heavens. There'll be no more tears to cry. There'll be no more tears to cry. And let's so say goodbye to what we had. The good times that made us laugh outweigh the bad. I thought you had to see forever. Forever's gone away. Yeah, it's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. And I'll take with me the memory to be my sunshine after the rain. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. yesterday.